Ever wonder why some marketing strategies seem to hit the mark every time while others miss the target completely? The secret could be hiding in the very words and phrases used in marketing content. Today, we delve into a project carried out by a leading marketing firm in the USA. Their objective? To unravel the mystery behind the success of their LinkedIn posts. Specifically, they aim to identify which keywords, phrases, and hashtags were most commonly used in the posts that garnered the highest engagement. To achieve this, they put AWS Comprehend to the test, performing a key phrase analysis on their LinkedIn posts. But that's just one half of the story. They also wanted to correlate this data with the engagement rate, impressions, and likes each post received. Discover how Blackcoffer's team of highly skilled professionals leverage cutting-edge technologies to empower organizations and drive their success. From strategic planning to implementation, Blackcoffer is dedicated to delivering exceptional IT consulting services tailored to the unique needs of each client. So how did they do it? They turned to data-driven dashboards. One dashboard provided a summary of the most used words, keywords, and phrases, offering a comprehensive key phrase analysis. The second dashboard offered a deeper dive into the LinkedIn data, analyzing posts based on their interaction with the audience. The tools of choice for this project were Python and Google Data Studio, with MongoDB serving as the database. But the road to success was not without its challenges. Matching the AWS Comprehend data output with the LinkedIn data to identify which posts received maximum interactions proved to be a significant hurdle. However, the team overcame this obstacle by working on the output, JSON file in a code editor, and comparing it to the LinkedIn datasheet. This allowed them to check the accuracy of the output file against each post, ensuring the results were as precise as possible. In summary, this project showcased how data visualization can be leveraged to optimize marketing strategies. By analyzing the most common keywords, phrases, and hashtags used in the most engaging LinkedIn posts, marketing professionals can gain valuable insights to inform their content creation process. This pioneering project was executed by the Blackcoffer team, a global IT consulting firm renowned for delivering insightful solutions to Fortune 500 corporations, technology firms, professional services companies, and financial institutions. Do you want to unravel the secrets behind your marketing success? The Blackcoffer team is ready to help. Reach out to them at www.blackcoffer.com or drop an email at aj@blackcoffer.com. Remember, the key to your marketing success could be hiding in plain sight in the very words and phrases you use. Join us on this journey to uncover how Blackcoffer has earned its reputation as a trusted partner in the industry, providing unmatched solutions that elevate businesses to new heights. Don't miss out on the opportunity to gain invaluable insights and discover the possibilities that await with Blackcoffer. Like and share this video to spread the word about Blackcoffer's global expertise and industry-leading standards. Together, let's celebrate the achievements of this remarkable IT consulting firm and inspire others to reach for their highest potential.